Hello programmers. Today I am here to tell you about how to install Git on Windows 10 system. And now to install Git on Windows 10, let's go to Google Chrome and let's search for git ampersand scm.com, which is an official website of Git. And now here we come and download 2.26.0, which is a stable release, is recently done by Windows, and I'll download it. Meanwhile it's downloading here, which SCM means source code management, and it is downloaded. Let's install it. It is getting installed. Click and next, next. add uh, Add it on the desktop, and next, next, next. We use it from the command line. We use OpenSSL library. Next, next, next. Install. It is installing. Will take a while. Please wait. It is installed, and next. And here the Git is installed, and here this is a Git command line terminal. ls is a command to show the all the files listed. It is pointing to desktop, so it is showing all the files listed on the desktop. Thank you so much. This is the way we install Git on Windows 10.